Have you ever made a big, exciting goal for the new year, but after just 1 week, you completely forgot about it? Stay with us today because we are going to talk about staying motivated, making great plans, and finally reaching your dreams.
Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Simple English Podcast, where learning English is always easy and fun. I am your host, Asher James.
And I am Siren. Hello, Asher. And hello to all of our amazing listeners all over the world. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very, very happy to talk to you all.
I am happy too, Siren. You look very good today. You have a very big smile on your face.
Thank you, Asher. I have a big smile because I am thinking about the future. I am thinking about this year.
Oh, that is perfect. That is exactly our topic for today. Where do you see yourself this year?
It is a big question, but it is a very good question. It helps us dream and make plans. I love making plans so much, it makes me feel excited.
Me too. But wait, Siren, before we talk about our dreams and plans, we should talk to our friends listening.
Oh, yes, you are right. Hello, friends. If you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It helps us a lot. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to the Simple English Podcast channel.
And don't forget to share this podcast with your family and your friends who are learning English. We want to help everyone.
Exactly. Okay, Asher, let's start. When I say, where do you see yourself this year? What is the first thing you think about?
Let me think. The first thing is health. I want to be very healthy this year.
That is a great goal, Asher. Health is so important. What do you see yourself doing?
I see myself in the park. It is 7 in the morning. The sun is coming up and I am walking. The air is very cool and fresh. I can hear the birds singing in the trees.
That sounds very peaceful. But only walking or running?
Well, maybe walking fast first. Then after 1 month, I see myself running. I want to run for 30 minutes every day.
Wow, 30 minutes is a long time. Do you have running shoes?
Not yet. I need to buy new shoes. Maybe blue shoes. I think blue shoes make me run faster.
Blue shoes. That is funny. I see you running in the park with your blue shoes. That is a very good vision. Are you going to listen to music while you run?
Yes, definitely. Listening to upbeat music gives me a lot of energy. Sometimes I will listen to English podcasts too. It is a great time to learn. And what about you, Siren? Where do you see yourself this year?
I see myself in my kitchen. There is a lot of flour and sugar on the table.
Are you making a mess, Siren?
Well, maybe a little mess, but I am baking this year. I see myself as a great baker. Last year, I tried to bake, but I burned the cookies. They were black and hard like rocks. So this year, I want to learn how to do it perfectly.
Ooh, I love cake. What kind of cake do you see yourself making?
I want to make a perfect chocolate cake, a big, tall chocolate cake with fresh strawberries on top.
Mmm, that sounds absolutely delicious. I can almost smell it right now.
I want to invite my friends every Sunday to eat cake and talk. That is where I see myself. Happy in my kitchen with my friends. We can drink coffee, eat warm chocolate cake, and share stories about our week.
That is a beautiful vision, Siren. It is about food, but it is also about friends. I really like that. Having a good community makes life so much better.
Yes, it does. And what about travel, Asher? Do you see yourself in a new place this year?
Oh yes, definitely. I see myself at the airport. I have a big suitcase.
Where are you going?
I see myself in Italy. I want to walk in the old streets and see the beautiful buildings. I want to visit Rome and look at the famous monuments. I want to take hundreds of photos.
Italy, that is wonderful. Do you see yourself eating pasta?
Yes, pasta, pizza, and gelato. I want to sit in a small cafe and look at the people. I want to drink a strong Italian espresso in the afternoon.
Will you speak Italian?
Maybe just a little, like hello and thank you. But I will use my English too. English is very useful when you travel. Almost everywhere in the world, you can find someone who speaks English.
That is so true. Traveling is a great way to practice. And what about you? Do you have a travel plan for this year? I do, but my plan is different. I don't see myself in a busy city. I see myself at the beach. I love the ocean.
Me too. The beach is very relaxing.
I see myself sitting under a big umbrella. I have a good book in my hand. I can hear the sound of the waves crashing on the sand. I am drinking cool coconut water.
Is it a book in English?
Yes. I see myself reading a long story in English and understanding every single word.
That is a fantastic goal. Reading a whole book is a great victory for an English learner.
I agree. It feels so good when you finally finish the last page. You feel very proud of your brain. So I see myself at the beach, reading and relaxing. No work.
That sounds like paradise. No computers, no emails, just the sun and a good story.
Well, maybe a little work during the normal weeks, but this year I want to see myself being very organized with my time.
Oh, tell me more about that. How do you see yourself being organized?
I see myself with a beautiful notebook. Every morning I wake up early, I drink my coffee, and I write my to do list.
Like number 1, bake a cake. Number 2, go to the beach.
Yes, but also my important work tasks. I want to use different colored pens, red for urgent things, blue for normal things. I want to finish my work early so I can have more time for my hobbies.
That is very smart. Being organized gives you more freedom. When your desk is clean and your plan is clear, your mind feels very calm.
Exactly. And Asher, what about your home? Do you see any changes at your house this year?
Hmm. Yes, I see myself in my garden.
You have a garden?
I have a small space behind my house. Right now, it is just green grass, but I see myself planting flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, and maybe some vegetables, like tomatoes.
Tomatoes. You can make your own fresh salad.
Yes, I see myself picking a big red tomato and eating it. I want to grow cucumbers and carrots too. Getting my hands dirty in the soil makes me feel very connected to the earth. I want to water my plants every evening while the sun goes down.
It will be so fresh. That is a very peaceful vision, Asher. Nature is so good for the soul.
I agree. It makes me feel completely calm. So, let's look at our list. We have health, baking, travel, reading, organization, and a garden. We have many, many exciting plans.
We do. But Asher, we should give some practical tips to our listeners. How can they see themselves this year? How can they actually reach their goals without giving up?
That is a good idea. My first tip is to use your imagination. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and think, what makes me truly happy? Imagine the feeling.
That is a great tip. And tip number 2 is be specific. Don't just say a general thing like, I want to learn English.
Exactly. Say something clear, like, I see myself talking to a person in English at a coffee shop. Or I see myself watching an American movie in English without reading the subtitles.
Yes, when the vision is clear, it is much easier to achieve. My third tip is start small. You don't need to do everything perfectly today.
Right? If you want to run a marathon, don't run for an hour on the first day. Just walk for 10 minutes today. That is a solid start.
And my fourth tip is write it down. When you write your vision in a paper notebook, it becomes real. It is no longer just a thought, it is a physical plan.
I love that. I have a notebook for my running goals. It helps me stay focused, and I can see my progress.
Good job, Asher. I also have a fifth tip find a partner. Doing difficult things together is always easier. If you want to learn English, find a friend to practice with. You can call each other and practice speaking for 5 minutes every day.
That is an excellent tip, Siren. And I have one more tip, tip number 6. Reward yourself. When you finish a difficult task, do something nice for yourself. Eat a small piece of chocolate. Watch a funny video, or take a hot bath. Celebrate your small victories.
I completely agree. Celebrating is important. Now, let's talk about the big one English. Where do we see our listeners with their English this year?
Oh, I have a very clear vision for them. I see them listening to the Simple English podcast and smiling.
Yes, and I see them feeling more confident every single day.
I see them confidently using new words when they talk to their friends.
And most importantly, I see them not being afraid of making mistakes. Remember, friends, making mistakes is just a normal part of the learning journey. You cannot learn without making mistakes.
That is so important. I see our listeners being brave, being a conversation superhero.
Yes. And Asher, I see our channel growing this year. I see many new friends joining us from all over the world.
Me too. I see a big, beautiful community of happy English learners. That makes me very, very happy.
It is a beautiful vision. Wow, Asher, we talked about so many things today.
We did. It was a very long, deep, and fun chat.
It was, my head is full of inspiration and ideas now. I want to go and buy my blue running shoes right now.
And I want to go to the supermarket and buy some fresh strawberries for my cake.
But before we go, should we remember what we talked about?
Oh, yes. Let's do a quick recap. It was such a good conversation. Well, we started with my big goal for health. I want to be running in the park every morning.
That's right. And I shared my dream of baking. I want to make that big chocolate cake and share it with everyone I love. And
And we talked about travel. I'm going to Italy for delicious pasta and cold gelato. And you're going to the sunny beach with your English book.
yes. And we shouldn't forget about being organized with a colorful notebook and your plan for a beautiful, peaceful tomato garden.
Yes, the tomatoes. And we gave our friends some powerful tips. Use your imagination. Be specific. Start small. Write everything down. Find a partner. And reward yourself.
And most importantly, we talked about English. We want absolutely everyone to feel confident and brave this year.
Exactly. It's all about seeing the person you want to become and taking small steps every single day to get there.
I love that, Asher. It was so nice to remember everything together. It really was. I feel 100% ready for this year now.
Me too. Okay, friends. Now we have a question for you.
Yes. Where do you see yourself this year? Tell us in the comments below.
Do you see yourself traveling to a new country, learning a fun new hobby, or speaking English fluently with a native speaker? We love reading your comments.
Please write to us in English. It is great practice for your brain.
Yes, it is. And one more time, please subscribe to the channel and share this episode. It helps us make more free podcasts for you. Thank you so much for listening to us today. You are all amazing.
Yes, thank you. We believe in you and your goals for this year.
Well, I think that is all for today.
I think so too. See you in the next episode, Asher.
See you next time, Siren. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful, successful year.